Apprenticeship in AWS. Hey everyone! In today's in-depth video, we're going to dive deeper into the main apprenticeship programs offered by AWS. These provide awesome opportunities to gain cloud skills, experience, and jobs. Starting with the flagship AWS Apprenticeship program, this fully paid one-year apprenticeship rotates you across different AWS teams to get broad exposure. You'll gain extensive hands-on training in Linux, Python, networking, databases, security, and other foundational cloud skills. It's open to career changers who have yet to gain prior professional cloud experience. Locations are in the US, Ireland, and England. Looking next at the AWS Ray/Start Apprenticeship program, this accelerated 12 to 16-week option combines classroom cloud training with on-the-job learning. The program covers AWS Cloud Practitioner, EC2, S3, VPCs, security, and more. You'll be guaranteed a job interview for an entry-level AWS position after finishing the program. It's aimed at unemployed or underemployed adults wanting to transition into tech. Offered in the US and Canada. Now for the AWS Technical Apprenticeship Program, this advanced one-year option is tailored for recent tech grads from undergraduate or master's programs. You'll rotate across different technical teams at AWS to gain broad experience in solutions architecture, software engineering, technical program management, and more. Locations span the US, Germany, and Ireland. AWS also provides more focused apprenticeships like the Interns for All program for high school seniors and the Ray/Start military program designed specifically for veterans. The key benefits are gaining in-demand cloud skills, working on real AWS projects, accessing top training resources, and getting your foot in the door for cloud roles. Be sure to check out these transformative apprenticeship programs from AWS. Thank you for watching, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below.